Welcome back to the channel, y'all. C333 back at it again with another tarot card reading, and we are starting off the day, Mercury day. We're going to get into this straight with the Gemini energy. Gemini, Sun, Moon, Ascendants. This is your tarot card reading. You're also paired up with my Virgos today as well, so make sure y'all tune in if y'all have any Virgo energy in your chart. You want to check out, go head over to the channel and check out that reading. We have one card here flying out upon the shuffle. In the beginning here, Five of Swords. Is there a change of thought, change of mind here, in some way, shape, or form? Change in the way you communicate. Underlining theme possibly here, Gemini. Hope you guys had a good Aquarius season. Also, happy new moon. Your reading is also on the new moon in Aquarius. Happy solar return to all my aquas out there. Aquarius readings on the channel gets posted on Fridays. How you guys been doing, Gemini? Let me know how it's been for you lately. We're going to tap into some energy. We're going to look into a little bit of past energy, a little bit of your current energy, a little bit of obstacles that you may need to overcome, things like that. We're going to be pulling 7 cards and possibly one mystery card for you as well, that will be possibly revealing at the end. Just hang tight here. See a lot of swords energy off the bat. At the bottom of the deck, I think I've seen the 8 of Swords, what we just spotted here. And as we split, what we're seeing, first card for you, we got is the 8 of Swords at the bottom of the deck. So it looks like this Swords energy is a little bit of this underlining theme today for this reading. We got the Ace of Swords. Is there a lot you've been thinking about, but you're getting clear on it? It's like there could have been some stuff that you've been overthinking, but you're now getting clear on all these things. What are those things for you right now? Because I'm seeing clarity with the Ace and the 8. It's like you're thinking a lot about the right ways of communication. Spending a lot of time communicating in the right ways. Communicating in the way that you know works for you. First card coming out is Emperor, Aries energy. I like that. Position lets me know some position of authority here. Could be in position of authority within your work, career, or life. Always, guys, remember, these are not just business and career readings. These are life readings. Second card we have coming out is also the Moon. This is a new moon reading right now as well. Happy new moon in Gemini to all signs as well. New moon in Aquarius today. So this is kind of like an Aquarius season check-in for the month of Aquarius. And we got the moon in your current energy, 2 of Wands in your hidden influence. Okay. A lot of fire, guys. A lot of fire. A lot of fire. Maybe you were stuck thinking, there was like, with that 8 energy. Like I'm hearing stuck for a little while. Maybe you were stuck for a little while. So yeah, you just, like, maybe you were physically stuck. So there was a lot that you had to think about, get clear with. But that time of you thinking, that time you spent thinking brought you some level of clarity now. That's been tremendous. I'm seeing, Wheel of Fortune. That's your best path to walk down here. 3 major arcanas coming out in the spread, which is very good omen in your reading here. 8 card, all right. So this is good. I'm actually gonna pull, before we get too deep in the reading, I'm gonna pull one mystery confirmation card from our 5th deck right here, and we're going to put it off right to the side, and we're going to check this mystery card a little bit later in the reading. At the end, we're going to see, and this is going to tie all the energies together here. Mystery card for Gemini. I'm going to pull it right off the top, put it right off to the side, leave it right on this piece of DJ equipment here. Perfect. Good job. So, in terms of your current energy right now, Gemini, there's this Emperor energy in the past. So you were in some position of authority within your past, whether it's in your career, whether this was a career thing. You were in this position of authority to where you call the shots. You're the organizer. You're stepping into a role of maybe leadership, authority. And you're moving forward with that. So this is like you've made the decision here to do that, to embrace this Emperor energy, to be your own leader, be your own boss, I'm hearing. And I think it is a part of you fulfilling your dreams and chasing your dreams. And it's not just chasing your dreams, but acting and consciously, continuously working on your dreams. That's what I'm seeing with that moon card here, because this lets me know that this is something that brings you fulfillment. Like, this is the ultimate fulfillment here with this moon card. And I'm also seeing like shiny. I don't know, jewelry. Shiny. I don't know if there's something that you got that's. I don't know if you like jewelry. I don't know if there's someone I'm speaking to who like jewelry. I got a couple flashes in my mind's eye right now, just about jewelry and like fulfilling your dreams. I'm hearing like fantasies, bell whistles. I don't know if it's like crystals and gems or jewelry, but there's some sort of shiny object within your surroundings or within your environment. I don't know if you go to this thing, it's like a good luck charm maybe. I'm not sure. That's for some. That's a rare collective. But this moon energy lets me know that you're embracing your dreams and you're embodying that energy now, and you're embodying this fulfillment. This is, clearing out those subconscious, unhealthy subconscious beliefs, and what you want to bring to the forefront. You're acting on. And I like to see that right now. It's like, your position, your dream, and you know what you need to do to get there. Especially with this Two of Wands and your hidden influences in position 3. The Two of Wands is you're taking action within your environment. You're taking action within planning on where you want to go. You're stepping into the leadership. You're in the leadership role. You're doing the work. This is preparation for the destination. This is organizing the environment so that it shifts and it ends up in alignment to the way that you want to, or what you want to do within that environment. You know what I'm saying? So you're doing what's necessary to shape your environment, and that, whether that's, and it could be even, whatever it is in life, business and career. I'm hearing stepping up, doing that thing online as well, doing the work. This can be an online thing as well. Being in position 3, there's a lot of more initiative you're taking with your online footprint as well. That can be a big thing. Developing a little bit more confidence with exploring the world and exploring your environment. Maybe exploring your body, maybe getting more connected with who you are in your own skin, more comfortable within your own body. This position 4 is interesting with the 9 of Wands, because the 9 of Wands is I get that this is an obstacle to overcome, and I get it, Gemini. I think you've been doing a lot here. I think you've been doing a lot right now. I think that you feel like there's a lot on your plate. You may feel almost like you want to give up. You may feel like, damn, this is like the end. You're at the end. But you're pushing through, and that pushing through this is going to strengthen your ship. It's going to push you even farther. It ushers in so much more growth. Right? Like, I like this for you. The challenge with the 9 of Wands, you're doing what you can. It's like you're holding the load. Everything, you may feel like a lot's on your back, and it's really not. I'm hearing lighten up a little bit. Stop being so heavy or so harsh on yourself or so hard on yourself. Don't be too tough on yourself. Lean towards wisdom instead of, we lean towards the wisdom and the triumph to keep going, and the growth and the learning here, instead of, just the negative, being beaten down or too exhausted. If you're exhausted, replenish yourself. Eat a good meal, drink some good, nutritious food, nutritious drinks, etc. Energize yourself, consume some electrolytes, etc. Something that can energize you if you're feeling down. Try to counteract it is what I'm hearing. Like, fight to win and push to win. That's how you're gonna overcome that challenge for sure. With the Two of Swords, within others' perspectives, it does feel like, I don't know if maybe someone in your life that you're emotionally connected to is observing you and having to make a decision in some way, shape, or form. What's the decision that you need to make towards the people that you're emotionally connected to? There may be some sort of separation here, but there's a choice that may need to be made, or a decision that needs to be made. There's something that you're thinking about in terms of, possibly the other people that you're emotionally connected to, and the other people who may have a perspective on what you're doing. But I think it's time for you to make a decision, to get clarity, and to let these people know, like, hey, this is what I'm doing and this is for me, and it's like you either gonna support it or not. And then that can clear the air, or it's making that choice, to not do that. But it's getting the clarity now. I think you'll know which way you want to go. I think there's only so much on your mind because you haven't made such choice. Like, I think if you confront the choices, the difficult choices, you'll have the clarity with that ace, and you'll see that ace to develop the clarity, and you'll feel good about the decisions that you make. Because I see the Wheel of Fortune and your best path to walk down, which lets me know progress is here. You're moving forward from the bottom of the wheel to the top of the wheel with the Wheel of Fortune here. There's a rotation, and this lets me know success and accomplishments are soon ahead. Like, walk towards your success with the Wheel of Fortune. Grow towards your success. Do what you know pushes the needle forward. You know what I'm saying? And if you're tired, you reinforce your body, reinforce your mind, reinforce your soul. When you're feeling spiritually exhausted, spend some time within your own space, spend some time in solitude. Ask yourself some questions. If your mind is draining, take a little bit mental break, do a little mental health, do a little bit more mental healthier exercises, consume something that may help your mind a little bit neurologically. If it's physical, hit the gym. That can be a great way to revitalize the body. Like, just keep yourself going and growing, and go towards your success. Go towards your accomplishments, whatever that definition of success and whatever defines success for you. You go towards that. And I think as you do, this is going to be the outcome of the two of Pentacles. You're going to step into your outcome card here, to where I think you may have many different ideas and forms of understandings on how to create stability for yourself when you have this clarity as you move forward. When you see the accomplishments be done, and you realize that you persevered and you got it done and you pushed through, how much more was on the other side. Like, this is like, you can go from this to that. You know what I'm saying? You're learning different skills, learning forms of understanding. You don't feel stuck or obligated to be in one area. You can go to the next. Like, there's flexibility here, mutability. And Gemini, mutable air, this is exactly what I feel for you. Like, this is your energy right now. Your ability to be adaptable in a practical sense, right? And to call the shots when necessary, and to be that authority figure, to initiate it when you know is important to do so, to step up when you know is necessary. I'm going to get into this mystery card over here. Y'all can drop a comment down below, let me know what you think this mystery card is going to be for you. It is similar cards and similar symbols from the traditional Rider-Waite that we use here. It's not the exact traditional, but yeah, similar energies. So this right here from our thoughts deck, we'll see. I'm feeling they have the same relative major arcanas. Y'all can drop one of those in the comments, let us know. As far as the reading, as far as the spread, I see a lot of fire energy here with the major arcana being the Emperor, the Two of Wands, and the Knight of Wands. You see the Wheel of Fortune, you see the Two of Pentacles. So there's a lot of fire, there's a lot of earth. There's air and there's water. Every element is here. Ultimately, I see a lot of action. I see the only thing getting in the way of action, it is more so the decision, because emotionally, I think you're already there. I think emotionally, you know what fulfills you and what brings you fulfillment. I think emotionally, you know where, and intuitively, you know where your dreams are, and that fantasy, lifestyle and reality is for you to embody. So I think that Moon card is a very good omen to see in your current energy. I don't think your emotions are getting in the way. It's actually doing you good here. It's like a decision, though. There could be an emotional decision. I'm hearing trust your intuition. Trust your gut. Don't overthink this thing. This is not something to use with your mind. It's about how you gotta trust how you feel about this. Especially with the moon in your current energy. Trust how you feel. Don't deny how you feel. It's a new moon right now as well. Use that new moon energy to have a clean slate on your decision. To make a clean decision. But let's get into this. I'm thinking with the majors, I'm thinking major. We see the Emperor, we see the moon, we see the Wheel of Fortune. Let's say Chariot. Let's say Chariot. I feel like you're moving forward confidently. You know where you want to go. The emotion is kind of helping you. Chariot is good. moving towards success. Let's see what it is. Okay, Two of Discs. We got a double Two of Pentacles, double confirmation. We have the double confirmation with the Two of Pentacles being your outcome card here and the mystery card here with the Two of Pentacles. So it lets me know there's some change coming, guys. There's some change towards your foundation, towards your stability, right? And it could be based upon just your ability. It could be just stepping into new forms of authority, right? After this decision was made, there's like a decision to either communicate or separate from something. That's blocking your mind's eye to make a decision. You see what I'm saying? You got to make a decision with the swords. There's either some separation or some communication. Sometimes separation happens with communication, but this has to be communicated right now. That's what's going to emotionally propel you to your progress. That's what's gonna allow you to move forward towards your success and accomplishments with the Wheel of Fortune to keep progressing. But that decision has to be made. That's the order, guys. Gemini, we hope this brought you clarity. As always, I'm watching from afar. You know I'm rooting for you. If you guys would like to get on a private reading list, you guys can apply on our website down below. It's in the description box and every relative link that is there. If you guys are interested to check it out, feel free to do so. If not, it is what it is. As always, it's MC333. Namo Himalaya. We got it. Let's go.